Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sell a lot of fishes at once in Fisch without having to sell it individually. So for instance, you caught a lot of fish and you just want to sell a lot, but you want to save some of the items. So make sure you favorite some of your items first. I don't have any fish. So I, for instance, want to save the koi. You're just going to right click and star it. Go to the merchant, press E, and then you're going to select I'd like to sell my inventory, and you're basically going to be able to sell everything without selling the fish that you want to keep. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.